Hi everybody, Nick from the city of Greeley, and I am out here at the Greeley Stampede, the 100th annual Greeley Stampede, and I am here with James, who is the head sea lion trainer at the Sea Lion Splash this year. James, what can we expect? I know this is the first year for the Sea Lions at the Stampede.
Oh, you guys can expect all kinds of things. It's a 25-minute show. We'll teach you guys all about the sea lions, and it's really cool, lots of fun. Lots of fun for all ages and kids mostly. You guys can take pictures with the sea lions, and they'll get up really close to you and kind of cuddle them in a picture. And yeah, we'll just teach you guys all about conservation efforts and what we're doing to try and help these animals. And most of our sea lions are all rescues, and yeah, so we're happy to be here.
So if I've never seen a sea lion show out at the Stampede, what can I expect from the show?
Oh, they do all kinds of stuff as far as behaviors. I mean, clapping, waving, they vocalize, they can there's a million different tricks. Some of our sea lions know over 100 behaviors. So I could go on and on and on, but they can balance balls and catch rings on their head and all kinds of things.
How exactly does one train a sea lion?
It takes lots of time and patience. It's all positive reinforcement, so if they do something good, they get rewarded for it.
I know there's a strong conservation message in your show. Can you talk a little bit about the importance of that?
The main thing is pollution, as far as like the pollution in the beaches and people leaving trash. That's why most of these sea lions get beach stranded, is because they ate plastic or they have a fishing line tangled up on them. So we're just trying to help teach people what leaving your trash behind could cause one of these animals, and we try to help as much as we can. So we try to send the message for everybody else to help also.
And I know sea lions are kind of known for having their own individual personality. What are some of the personalities we can expect?
Man, they're like 3-year-old children. I mean, it's all different. You get your troublemaker, you get your good girl, and it's just like kids. I mean, there's no other way to put it. As soon as you spend some time with them, you'll figure out really quick who is who, and you know them.
Well, I know you've got a show here in a couple minutes, so we'll let you go. Thanks so much for talking to us.
No problem. Thank you.
The Sea Lion Splash is out here for the rest of the Greeley Stampede, which goes for another few days. For more info, you can always go to greeleygov.com/news.